Never make the mistake of poking this animal, even by accident. This is a porcupine, a creature blessed by nature with an army of sharp quills. And trust me, it knows how to use them. These quills aren't just for show. They're a serious defense tool that can make any predator instantly regret their life choices. But here's the twist. The porcupine doesn't attack or throw its quills. In fact, it never uses them aggressively. Instead, other animals end up poking themselves when they get too close. Talk about accidental karma, grinning face with sweat hedgehog.